Hey there, my name is Roxane Webster with my home team at Keller Williams Advantage. I'm not just a real estate agent, I'm your real estate planner. I've been doing this for years and really have a passion for helping people to make their own decisions and plan what they want their last home to look like, their living experience and their care as they age and their health deteriorates, which is a one-way road. We're all headed in that direction. Here's the thing that we often don't want to think about as we age. Nobody wants to be a hardship on their kids, on their families, on their siblings, on whoever it is might care for us when we have a crisis. It feels like we're a burden on them. I'll tell you though, we exponentially increase that burden if we have not put a plan in place. So if a loved one is finding themselves contending with a health issue and attached to it is a housing issue and financial issues and decisions about living circumstances and care, they're all of a sudden having the burden of having to put together all of that on the fly at a time of emergency and under tremendous stress. And that is a burden. Versus if you've got a plan in place, then they can come and deal with your immediate needs, not trying to figure out your future for you. So as a real estate planner, I've got access to the folks who can help put together that plan, make sure you have the time to think through these decisions at a time that's on your timing, not in a moment of emergency.